Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Queen Nikki. Welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Thank you for always tuning into the channel, and my new subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so sorry I've not been posting. Just bear with me. I'm fully back now. So guys, in this tutorial, like I'll be showing you guys how to do a lovely hairstyle for baby girl, and adults can do it as well. So if you're ready to learn with me, pay attention, watch carefully, and let's jump into the tutorial. First thing, I pattern this hair, not two equal parts but just two, because the one at the front is bigger than the one at the back, so it's not two equal parts. So I section it into two. Then after that, I secure the one at the back while I move to the front. And this particular one is the base aspect that I'm trying to section out. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to section all the whole parts before I begin to work on the hair. So just watch carefully and see how I'm patterning it. Just pay attention. So guys, this is me trying to pattern the front. So after, when I section the front part, I try to secure it so that it will make my work faster. So after that, the one I at the middle, so I try to portion it into two equal parts as well. So I'm trying to figure it out if one is not more than one. So I try to, I love using my wax. It's not a must you use wax, so but if you don't have wax, you can use what's it called, you can use ori or your normal regular hair cream that you do use. Just make sure after applying it, you reparting it again to make that line very sharp. So now, after the portioning, I go ahead and begin to work on the hairstyle. So firstly, I'm braiding from the back to make it easier, because other ones will fall on it, as you can see. So this is me trying to braid the hair, and this particular braid is feeding braid, so you can actually make it stitches, whichever one you prefer, but this particular one is feeding, looking more like stitches, but it's feeding braid. So now I'm almost done with the back aspect, as you can see. So like I almost tell you guys, whenever you are doing cornrow, don't start with extension. Make sure you start with the natural hair first before adding extension, to avoid hair breakage. You don't start with extension, start with the natural hair. So after that, you begin to add extension. And this is me, I'm done with the back while I'm trying to do the middle part, as you can see. So after braiding it to the tip, I try to secure it to make it firm, not to loose. So I try to secure it well by tying it. So after that, I keep braiding, like you can see what I'm trying to do here. So I keep braiding it. Just make sure the hair is not too tight. If you are an OG, you know that I always tell you guys that making hair too tight doesn't beautify the hair, just that it will add headache, it will cause headache for your clients. And as you can see, this is my lovely model, this is my lovely client. She's still a baby girl, like she's a toddler, as you can see. So I'm almost done with this middle part as well. So when I finish the first part, I use my puff just to secure it. And this particular one, if you are trying to achieve this lovely hairstyle, one more thing about this style, when you are doing the first side, make sure you curve your hand, like you don't make it straight, because you are making it to look more like chuku. So now let's move to the front part. This particular side, I'm trying to portion it into two equal parts, but I'm not making it straight, like I'm making it in a slant form, as you can see, because I'm going to braid one to the right while I braid one to the left. and this is me trying to braid the front part. As you can see, make sure the hair is not tight, just hold it firm. So after braiding it, I go ahead and use my scissors just to trim it very well to make it neat. Then after that, I proceed by adding bead to the braid, as you can see, guys. So make sure you achieve the length that you want before you go ahead and apply bead to the hair. So and that's exactly what I'm doing here. So my lovely people, if the video, like if this video is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in a comment section, share to your loved one. Please, like, I'm still begging you guys, if you are watching without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button just to join this family, and you guys will see more of my videos. Yes, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for your support. And this is the final look of the hairstyle. Let me know if you guys love this lovely hairstyle. Don't forget to apply your hair mousse, because you all know what mousse does in the hair. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.